Just wants to record it not working.
Hey guys, this is Quentin. We had a problem with our Liftmaster 1/3 horsepower garage door opener. Something is wrong with the safety sensors. That's why it's having, that's why our garage door is not closing. Because, well, I know that our garage is like really messy out there. See, that's why it's not closing. That's why it's having a little bit of a big problem. That's why our garage door won't close. Can you check the safety sensors? Something is wrong with our garage door opener. Yeah, I know it's such of a foggy day outside. Looks like we need it looks like we need to call the repair place. That's why the garage door is not closing. So that's why we had our... Yeah, that's why our garage door will not close. Something is wrong with the safety sensors. Yeah, maybe we should call the repair place. Yeah, something is wrong with our garage door opener. Okay, so, okay, hope you enjoyed this video. So, we had a problem with our Liftmaster garage door opener that our garage door won't close. It's not closing the garage door. Right. That's why we had a big problem. We need to call the repair place when I'm done with school. You have to pull the handle. You have to free the door manually. That's why you need to do the door manually. That's why we had a big problem with it. Yeah, that's why we had a big problem with our garage door. Whoa! There we go. Sorry that our garage door won't close with the opener. Let's try it. Keep going. Let's try to press it. Whoa, there we go. All right. Okay. So that's why we had our big problem. So, okay. Thanks for watching that video. So, we had a problem with our Liftmaster, okay?
Thanks, Quinn.
I'll post that video on YouTube. Check back soon and subscribe to the channel. Bye. Okay. I know. Because that's why something is wrong. Okay, thanks for watching about our garage door opener having a big problem. Okay, I'll post that video on YouTube. Check back soon and subscribe to the channel. Bye.